today's video, we're going to be checking out some brand new EDC, starting with an X-Pack sling from Tactical Geek, which just recently launched on Kickstarter. Then we're going to take a look at an admin pouch from Alpaka, and then we're going to finish things off with a lightweight running hat from Tillak. And if you're interested in any of these products, be sure to use my affiliate links in the description below. And if you find this video useful at all, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. 80% of you who are watching this video are not subscribed, and it only takes a second to click that button, so please be sure to do so. So first up, we have the EXT14 crossbody sling from Tactical Geek. And you're obviously going to love or hate the look of this thing, but I think it's super sick and super unique. Honestly, it's really nice to see something that's a little bit different than that typical black sling. This thing's going to measure 7.68 inches by 5.91 inches by 2.76 inches, and the white X-Pack version of the bag you see here weighs 0.4 pounds. There are 6 different color options and 3 different fabric options. The sling also features an RFID blocking pull tab card pocket and a fidlock buckle on the front. The EXT14 will retail between $70 and $90 US, depending on which fabric you choose. But right now, if you order on Kickstarter, you can get some really great deals, anywhere from $15 to $25 off that retail price. So before we jump in, here is what the bag looks like on me, and for reference, I'm 5'9". So this sling is really made for traveling and commuting, and it's going to hold your basics like a passport, a power bank, credit cards, those kind of things. It has a pretty flat profile, so don't expect to fit too much inside of it. It does, however, have lots of little pockets, so you can keep things really organized. The strap is also easily removable, so if you just want to use it as a pouch, you can totally do that as well. And like I was saying, tons of pockets as well as latch points on this sling. The inside lining has that nice bright orange that you're probably used to seeing on Air products. And one of the cool little features in that main compartment that I haven't really seen on other slings is that RFID pull tab card pocket. It's like having a little wallet attached to your sling. It's such an awesome feature, and it's honestly something that I've never seen before. Next up is the Admin Pouch Pro from Alpaka. And I can tell this little pouch is going to be such a huge help when traveling, and I can't wait to use it during the holiday season. Honestly, I think I could probably fit everything that I personally need on the plane in this little thing, and then I don't have to worry about digging around in my bag during the flight. The pouch comes in at 4.5 inches by 6.7 inches by 1.2 inches for a capacity of about a half liter, and it weighs 0.26 pounds. The version I have here is made with Alpaka's custom 300D Axo Grid, which is a durable and waterproof 4-layer laminate material with a 100% recycled base layer. There is also an X-Pack version available as well. The Axo Grid comes in black and olive, and the X-Pack comes in black and olive as well. The Axo Grid version is going to run you $45 while the X-Pack version is going to cost you $55. On the front, we have some subtle alpaca branding. These pouches also feature those industry standard high-end YKK zippers, and the one here on the front has a little aqua guard for weatherproofing. The back has a large slip pocket for a notebook, and then opening this thing up, we find a ton of different small and large pockets, along with a couple elastic bands. And I'm just going to add in some of my typical EDC items, just to show you the size of these pockets in here. You can see a Field Notes notebook is going to fit really nicely in this left side pocket. It's also a great place for a passport. In front of that pocket is a nice space for some pens. Moving to the other side of the pouch, that large back pocket is actually going to fit a handheld video game device, which is perfect for my style of carry. Lastly, I'll just add in a little flashlight. And as you can see, there's plenty of space to add many more items in here, but this should give you a pretty good idea of what type of things are going to fit in those pockets. Lastly, we have the Element Hat from Tillak. And this little lightweight, breathable, structureless running hat is also going to be so perfect for travel because you'll easily be able to fit this into any bag. You honestly could probably even fit this in the pouch we just looked at if you do want to fold it up. And this has already become my go-to gym and running hat. So the Element Hat is made with 100% high-performance stretch polyester, along with some mesh on the sides for ventilation and moisture control. The bill is made with a soft EVA closed-cell foam, making it unstructured and really easy to fold. It has a nylon webbing strap closure on the back to fit pretty much any head size. And it's also super lightweight, coming in at just 47 grams, which is like 0.1 pounds. The Element Hat retails for just $32, which is a really fantastic price in my opinion. So before we jump in, here's what the hat looks like on. Now, let's kind of just take a look at this thing, starting with the subtle Tillak branding on the front. And it's such a cool minimalist logo, I'm really digging this. And as you can see, this thing folds up really effortlessly. Here are those mesh panels on the side for breathability. And on the back, you've got that nylon band along with some more subtle Tillak branding. I really can't recommend this hat enough. If you are a runner or you enjoy hiking, you really got to give this one a try. So that's gonna be it for this week's video. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this new sling, this new pouch, and this new hat. And before we go, let's check out a couple of records that I've been listening to this week. We've got 3 right here, and we're into the Christmas music time. At least for me, I always start at the beginning of November. I know it's kind of controversial. Some people are post-Thanksgiving starters for their holiday music. But for me, I have a pretty large collection and I like jumping in early. It's only 2 months of the year that you get to listen to it. So for me, I like to start things at the beginning of November. I do start things kind of slower. I like to start with instrumental music. It kind of gets me more into the Christmas spirit and the Christmas music listening spirit. So I always start off with some instrumental albums. So I have 3 of them here today that I just wanted to show and talk about quickly. This first one is Hi-Fi Christmas Guitar. This one came out a few years back. It is by the guitarist Joel Patterson. He's a Chicago-based guitar player. He plays in a lot of different jazz groups. He's a jazz guitarist. He also has a really fantastic instrumental album of Beatles covers. But this Hi-Fi Christmas Guitar album is fantastic. It's jazzy. It's kind of surf guitar-esque too. It's a really, really great listen for this time of year. And yeah, it's just a really nice instrumental holiday record. On to the next one. This is just a single, so it's just 2 tracks. I do really like the pressing of this. It's really cool. You have a red vinyl pressing here, which looks really super, super nice. And this is from the band Wooden Ships, and Wooden Ships are a psychedelic rock, krautrock band. So yeah, this is their take on O Tenenbaum and Auld Lang Syne. So you got 1 track on each side. They're both run about like 8 to 10 minutes long. So they kind of just do some instrumental like jam session basically on these tracks. You get that really nice krautrock like motoric beat going on throughout it, but this is just a really nice one to kind of ease from your regular music into kind of your Christmas or holiday music. And then the last record I have here that I want to talk about is Booker T and the MGs in the Christmas spirit. And this in general is just one of my favorite Christmas albums of all time. But yeah, Stax Records, super soulful, instrumental, jazz types, jazz soul music. If you haven't heard Booker T and the MGs, he's an organ and piano player, Booker T is. And yeah, it's just like a super, like kind of just, yeah, very soulful Christmas album. You can put on in the background. Like I said, it's all instrumental and it's just like, brings really nice vibes this time of year if you are trying to get into the spirit. So yeah, those 3 records I have here, all great listens if you do need some suggestions, especially kind of easing into the Christmas music and the Christmas spirit. So with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.